Hey guys, welcome to your kitchen your way. Today we're going to be making etouffee my way. So first we're going to lightly season our shrimp with some Cajun seasoning, spray it down with cooking spray and throw in the air fryer for 10 minutes. If you're not air frying your shrimp guys, you're missing out. Then we're going to move into our sausage. We're going to brown our sausage on both sides. I have some Cajun andouille sausages here. Once they're all brown, I'm going to scoop them out, remove them from the heat, and throw 2 tablespoons of butter in the same pot. Once butter melts down, we're going to throw 1 tablespoon of flour in there. And we're going to mix that to make a roux. We're going to give it a good mix so it doesn't clump up. And wait for the flour to change color. This process takes approximately 35 minutes. And then once the flour changes color, we're going to add our treat, which is onion, celery, and bell pepper. First, I started with my onion and my celery. And then I'm going to add my bell pepper and wait for everything to get nice and translucent. After a couple of minutes, everything gets nice and translucent. I add 1 cup of water. And then I have a half more cup of water, and then I give it a good stir to incorporate everything. And then I throw a bay leaf in there, and also I love to have some tomato taste in there, so I added some crushed tomatoes in there. Once that's all mixed, this is the time that I usually season. I use Cajun seasoning. Once it's seasoned to you like this, add back your sausages. And cover it for about 15 minutes. Take the cover off and give it a good stir. And I covered it again for another 5 minutes, and then I added back my shrimp. Make sure everything is well combined. And this is the final product. That is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.